In this video we test my newly modified ARRMA Outcast 4S. Oh! Oh! That was your fault. Do you have a job you hate? Imagine if you could make more money from the comfort of your own home. That was my dream, and it became a reality once I started selling on eBay. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars by selling on eBay, and I've now taught hundreds of people my secrets. So just check out the results here from some of my students. So if you're sick of that 9 till 5 and you want to make more money than a doctor from the comfort of your own home, then click on the link down below and I'll show you how. Guys, in this video we're going to take the Outcast 4S up to the BMX track. We've just put a new radio on that and a new servo, and we're testing it. The radio is here. I've done a review on this not that long ago, so I'm going to put a link up here if I remember, otherwise you're going to have to go back a couple of videos. And also I've put a new servo in there which is super crazy fast, and also, hold on, let me open it and you can see it's running a JX servo, and the link to that's going to be down below. Dirt cheap, loads of power, really fast. Zop power lipo, links that down below too. So now we're going to give it hell and see how long it lasts. So radio on.
Welcome to Noble.
This thing even talks to you. Colour screen. Look at the speed of that servo. Right, let's see how long it lasts. Oh! I reckon I could do a standing backflip. Do you reckon it will? Here we go. Yes! Oh, the thing's a beast. Oh, I just got myself. What happened? Oh my god, this thing just wants a backflip. Oh my goodness. Watch this. We've got one zombie on the track, hopefully. Not for too long.
But I woke up to yet another morning out of the blue. You went and I was left behind. I know you found your peace and find I want more, 'cause there's no reason I'll shed no tears now that you're gone. There are times when I tell you went away, but I know you wouldn't like it anyway.
Oh, no.
Oh! Uh-oh.
Signal lost.
Oh yeah, battery's out, all good. Alright, back in action. Alright, here we go for the clickbait thumbnail. Oh, was that it? Oh, oh my god. Nice. Oh, tumble-wumble. Oh, oh no. Oh, and it takes it. Yeah, I know. It's got a decoration. Look at that. We're decorated. Now see if we can do it again without hitting the tree. Oh! Oh, I made it through the gap a minute ago. Oh. Man, it's taken a beating. It's all about the plastic, guys. People say plastic's cheap, but it flexes. Metal bends and stays bent and breaks other stuff. But this, look, plastic, 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 and it's taking it. It's lighter weight, it's flexible, it's cheaper. People always said, oh, tractors are crap because they're all made of plastic. Well, not really, because the plastic's stronger than the metal one. Oh! Man, he's taking a kicking. Yeah, that's what I was aiming for. There it is, and it survives. Should we go for a shed jump? I made it! Oh! That was your fault. Oh, I broke it now. Nah, I think it's alright. It's come unplugged. And back in action. Man, this thing's had hell today and it's still puffing. I think with that servo and with this radio, it's actually pretty good. Oh, look at that save. Oh! Nailed it! What's happening? This is the shot that I had on my eBay ad, if you remember. Straight down the middle there, flat out. Here we go, flat out. Oh, battery went flat.
Oh dear.
Oh guys, we have to do it in the next video, battery's flat. And no damage actually, other than this little rod here. Got a slight little bend in it. Other than that, perfect. So with that new servo and with the new radio here, I mean, this thing performs so much better. This is how it should be out of the box. It handles absolutely lovely now. So as I said, I'm going to put a link to the servo and the radio down below.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars.